What is up YouTube, IDM here, and welcome back to another video. So a common question I get is, how do you type out the Apple logo? Now it's been a few years since I've done this guide, so I figured I'd do an updated version for it here on iOS 15. It's really quite cool. So a lot of times in, tweets on Twitter and certain posts and stuff, I do have the text form of the Apple logo. And it's just a very common question that people ask me is, how do you type that Apple logo? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to comment on my own video on this video. So just go down to the comment section and I will pin a comment with the Apple logo in text form. So what you want to do is you go down to that comment and you can just go ahead and select the Apple logo if I can do this properly. So we'll just do select. And then we're going to copy the Apple logo. So just go ahead and copy the logo from the comment down below. And then what you want to do is go into settings, and we're going to go into general, and we're going to go into keyboard, and then we're going to do text replacement. Now, as you can see, I already have a phrase and the logo there, but I'm going to create a new one so you guys can see how to do it. So you click on the plus button in the upper right, and then you want to specify what's going to be replaced. So we want the Apple logo, and then the shortcut is basically a shortcut phrase that you want to be used to have that available to replace it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type out Apple logo, and I'm just going to leave it all as one word. Just remember, whatever you put as the shortcut, that's what you have to type out to get this as a recommendation. And I'm just going to click save. So now anytime I type Apple logo, the Apple logo will be an option. So if we go back into Noto here, you will see that if I click space and then type out Apple logo, as you can see, that is a text replacement option that I can use. And if I click on it, it replaces it with the Apple logo in a text form. So hopefully you guys found this video cool or useful. Spam the comments with the Apple logos. I want to see you guys just go crazy in the comments with all of the Apple logos. Let's see how many Apple logos we can get in the comments. This has been IDM, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.